How does it feel? Why did you decide to walk barefoot?
I always do that. It's a way I connect to the earth. These days we have forgotten to use our feet. We barely walk barefoot. So I think this is the best opportunity right now to use my feet in a proper way. So I'm ditching my shoes and using my feet.
And how does it feel?
It feels wonderful. It feels amazing. Especially when you put your foot on the surface, you can actually feel some stones are warm, some stones are cold. It's a beautiful feeling. The lockdown happened when I was in Rishikesh, but yeah, right now we are doing the trekking. We're going to Kedarnath, so obviously it's a beautiful feeling. I'm having a good time.
Have a good time?
I'm having a good time.
He's like the most mysterious man I've ever seen. Seriously. I have my suspicions on him. If I don't come back from Kedarnath, just understand that I've revealed some secret and I was dead. Killed by him. Look at his face. He's the man for you. Mr. Aryabhat. We hired a horse guy. We asked him to walk with us, but then I guess he just left my camera bag, my gimbal, my drone is in that, and I'm left with my phone because it seems my GoPro is giving some problems because there's some error in the memory card. So possibly I may have lost all the data that I shot from the last 2 days, which is like really bad. But hopefully I should be able to recover the data. Yeah, and I'm heading to Kedarnath. Wonderful feeling. I'm enjoying it a lot. I'm walking through this completely misty weather and it's a lot of fog and it feels beautiful, very peaceful. Can't describe, but it's a beautiful weather right now. I'm really happy that we have decided to come here during this time and it's really good. All thanks to Shivji because he's the one who's laid out all these plans and he's the one doing everything and handling everything. He's the one creating this beautiful weather as well. Yeah, so I'm really at peace with these things around. जय भोले जय भोले जय भोले Finally reached Chidoli or Gidoli, I can't recall the name, but I'm drenched and loving walking into the rain. It's beautiful everywhere.
Such a wonderful experience. I mean, look at the surroundings. These wildflowers. We are literally in the clouds. Waterfalls. It's stunning. There is magic in the air.
जो होते बोल रहा 20-30 रुपए किलो 50 रुपए एक जगह के अंदर है मुझे इतना 50 दिया अरे यार पैसे यार पैसे की बात नहीं एटीएम चल जाएगा भाई
Guys, we have the first sight of the ice over here. It looks so beautiful. आप इतनी सुंदर जगह पे काम करते हो, आपको कैसे लगता है?
अच्छा लगता है।
आपका फेवरेट चीज़ क्या है ऐसे लोकेशन पे?
ऐसे बुग्याल।
बुग्याल?
बुग्याल ऊपर बुग्याल होता है ना।
आप वहाँ पे जाते हो?
जाते हैं ऊपर से ऊपर।
मज़ा है यार।
ऊपर बुगियाल जाते हैं ऊपर
ओह, कितना समय लगता है आपको जाने के लिए ऊपर?
1-1.5 घंटा।
हाँ।
1.5 घंटा करीब लगभग बस
ओह। हाँ ओके ओके
पत्थर लागने जाए
okay thank you okay I've just been told that I have to leave as soon as possible from this place. The stones are falling down and everything can come down anytime, so I feel like I'm cross from here. Almost reached, or rather we have reached the place. Now it's just a cakewalk. The climbing of the slope is done and it just feels rejuvenating. It feels really damn good and very peaceful, seriously. And the best part is we are not tired. That's the best part. So now we'll not be able to miss the Aarti, and also my phone battery is 20%, so the battery has managed quite well as well. So that's Shivji's music, personal jukebox playing. Faina, Tina, Nasya, Anya, Katrina, Alisha, Susha, all my friends from my last Kedarnath trip. I am missing you all when I am looking at this place, because this is where we used to have food and this is where we used to stay. Finally reached Kedarnath. Reaching the temple in 2 minutes. Feels amazing. Wonderful. Seriously, and being drenched in the rain while visiting this place is like the best part. Shrijit, how do you feel?
Amazing! This is heaven. This is not
This is not?
a normal place. This is heaven. Heaven.
How do you feel?
So grateful. It's really a blessing.
Arya, how do you feel?
Amazing. I am having the best time.
Jai Bole. Jai Shambhu, Har Har Mahadev, and we are at Kedarnath. My hands are shivering, I'm shivering, but it's amazing. The battery is dead, it's very cold, my hands are blue. See you later. Har Har Mahadev.
तो भाई लोग हम पहुंच चुके हैं अपने होटल और ये रही हमारे साथियों की हालत.
Yes, I did say that I was not tired, but right now I'm quite in a situation. I'm feeling very cold. I was shivering. My legs are very cold right now, and I'm warming up myself.
How are you warming up yourself?
See my hands? They barely stay.
क्या डाला है दिखाने? क्या डाला है?
I'm wearing my red coat because I'm that guy who didn't carry any warm clothes. So I'm wearing. So this is like.
Polythene. And now over to Dr. Saab.
It's so cold here.
How is your knee?
My knee is okay. It was bad, but people were very excited. The last 5 kilometers were the most challenging 5 kilometers of our life. We thought we reached, but after that the rain started so heavily and everything was wet. Piyush said, "No problem, I can manage without my poncho."
Well, I did manage.
You did manage. We did manage. We came to the place, but after we came in,
But let's keep it short.
yeah.
He doesn't have the battery.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, now
Okay, namaste. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.
next
bye.
is
नेक्स्ट नैना जी की हालत केदारनाथ में
she's dead.
खराब हो गई.
Do you want to say something, Nana?
I just lost a lot of body heat because of getting drenched in the rain all day.
Okay.
So, like, trying to recuperate.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's
And Piyush was jumping 50 rounds and
That's it.
Bhatrika.
Signing off for now. See you soon.